Hi, today our topic of discussion is mitochondria. What is mitochondria? Mitochondria is an organelle which is present inside a cell. In which cell it is present? It is present in the eukaryotic cells and in the aerobic eukaryotic cells. And it is absent. Where it is absent? It is absent in the anaerobic cells, and in the prokaryotic cells it is also absent. Now moving on to its shape, mitochondria have a specific cylindrical or elliptical shape. More or less it is the shape of mitochondria. Next is its structure. So in the structure of mitochondria there is two parts. One is the membrane and the second part is inside the membrane there is a chamber. So now the mitochondrial membranes. Mitochondria have two membranes, the outer membrane and the inner membrane. The outer membrane is flat. It is just covering the whole mitochondria, and the inner membrane is drawn into several finger-like folds, which is called as cristae. Now, what is the role of outer membrane and inner membrane? Outer membrane allowing passage of important particles inside the mitochondria, and inner membrane is also allows passage of selective particle inside and out of the mitochondria. And the inner membrane is actually providing the larger surface area for mitochondrial functioning. So the finger-like folds in the inner membrane is called as cristae, and upon those cristae there are some stalk-like structures which are called as oxysomes, or also called as F0, F1 particles. These oxysomes play very important role in the functioning of mitochondria. So what is that? The oxysome help in the production of the energy currency of the cell, which is called as ATP. Okay. Now moving on to its structure again. Within the outer and inner membrane there is a gap which is called as perimitochondrial space, and within the inner membrane the space which is covered with the inner membrane is called as matrix, mitochondrial matrix. And in the mitochondrial matrix there are several important enzymes are present which help in the functioning of mitochondria. And what else? In the matrix there is a circular DNA and there are several ribosomes are there. So what is the role of DNA? We already know that DNA is the genetic material for our cell. So this extra chromosomal DNA which is present in the mitochondria helps mitochondria to replicate. And what is the role of these ribosomes? These ribosomes also help in the production of necessary protein in the mitochondria. So due to presence of this circular DNA and ribosomes, mitochondria is called as semi-autonomous organelle. What is semi-autonomous organelle? Semi-autonomous, if we break the word semi-autonomous, that means it is capable of functioning by itself to certain extent. So it is called as semi-autonomous because it can replicate with the help of its DNA and it can produce its necessary proteins. That's why it is called as semi-autonomous organelle. Okay. Now in the functioning of mitochondria, what is the function of mitochondria? Function of mitochondria is production of energy. Now how it is helping in production of energy? As it is helping in production of energy, it is called as the powerhouse of the cell. So whenever we are eating something, we are consuming something, it is getting digested in the digestive system, and after digestion it is broken into several small particles, and these small particles are being transported through the blood to the cell, and within the cell it is going in the specifically in the mitochondria for the release of energy through which our body is functioning. So mitochondria is called as powerhouse of the cell because it is breaking those microparticles of food and generating tremendous amount of energy, which is then being stored for a time being within the particles ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is called as energy currency for our body or for the cell. Whenever we are working or we are doing anything, we are thinking, we are seeing, we are talking, we are doing anything, there is a need of energy. So the energy is being provided with the ATP. So that's why mitochondria is so much important in our cell.